Imagine a world where Apple's entry-level iPhones no longer feel like compromises, but instead pack premium features at an affordable price. That's the buzz around the rumored iPhone 17e, which is said to be bringing some exciting upgrades that could bridge the gap between budget-friendly and high-end devices. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about cutting-edge tech. It's about accessibility without sacrificing style or functionality. According to a well-known leaker on Weibo named Digital Chat Station, the upcoming iPhone 17e might boast several significant improvements, straight from Apple's supply chain whispers. These include a revamped industrial design, the much-loved dynamic island feature, and the powerful A19 chip. This would mark a major leap forward for Apple's E-series lineup, which has traditionally been positioned as a simpler, more cost-effective option. Currently, the iPhone 16e sports a classic notch display, similar to older models like the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, paired with the capable A18 chip. However, the rumored redesign of the iPhone 17e could borrow cues from the iPhone 15, including its rounded edges and the integration of the dynamic island, a shift that fans have eagerly anticipated in non-Pro models. The device is also expected to retain a 6.1-inch OLED screen with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, along with a robust front-facing 12-megapixel camera and a rear 48-megapixel shooter. And let's not forget Face ID, ensuring security remains top-notch even on this budget-friendly model. But what truly sets the iPhone 17e apart? It's the promise of affordability. While other models dazzle with their specs, the E variant continues to appeal to those who want Apple quality without breaking the bank. This focus on value has kept the E-series popular among first-time iPhone buyers and emerging markets. And this is the part most people miss. The evolution of Apple's entry-level phones mirrors broader trends in consumer demand. As technology advances, users expect more bang for their buck, even at lower price points. By incorporating features like the dynamic island into the iPhone 17e, Apple may be signaling a shift toward democratizing access to its best innovations. Or is it simply responding to growing competition in the mid-tier smartphone market? You decide. Industry insiders seem confident about these developments. Analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, and Korea's The Alec agree that the iPhone 17e is on track for an early release next year. Given Digital Chat Station's reliable track record, having accurately predicted details about previous iPhones, such as the smaller sensor size in the iPhone 15 lineup, we can't help but take these rumors seriously. So what do you think? Is Apple making the right move by equipping the iPhone 17e with flagship features, or should they keep the E-series strictly utilitarian? Share your thoughts below. Let's spark a conversation.